There was a time when I felt completely lost financially. No matter how hard I worked, my bank account never seemed to reflect the effort. I was surviving, not thriving. Everything changed when I made 5 key financial decisions, each small on its own, but together, they transformed my life. The first decision was to track every single rupee I spent. It sounds simple, but it was a game changer. I realized I was bleeding money through things I barely noticed: extra snacks, unused subscriptions, random online shopping. Once I saw where my money was going, I could finally take control. It wasn't about cutting joy, it was about cutting waste. Next, I built a small emergency fund, just enough to cover unexpected expenses like a flat tire or a doctor's visit. Before that, even a small emergency would send me into panic or credit card debt. Saving even a few thousand rupees gave me peace of mind and confidence. It became my safety net and removed the constant financial anxiety I lived with. The third decision was to pay myself first. I used to wait until the end of the month to save, and of course, nothing was left. So I flipped the script. I started treating my savings like a non-negotiable bill. As soon as my income came in, I automatically moved 10% to a separate savings account. It was hard at first, but within months, I saw real progress, and it felt empowering. Then came the hard one: I had to resist lifestyle inflation. Every time I earned more, I had a habit of spending more: better phone, better clothes, more takeout. But that mindset kept me stuck. I chose instead to maintain a simple lifestyle and put the extra income into investments and long-term goals. That's when my wealth really started to grow. Finally, I made the decision to stop trying to impress people with money. I used to spend just to fit in, eating at expensive places, joining every plan, buying what was trendy. But once I aligned my spending with my values instead of others' expectations, my financial life began to feel authentic and stress-free. These 5 decisions didn't happen overnight, but step by step, they reshaped my mindset and my money. If you're feeling stuck financially, maybe you don't need a miracle, just a few smart choices made consistently. Because every dollar, and every decision, counts.